Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, as I've already explained you that the price of natural gas can move further upside because this gap is still was there. As soon as it moves above a level of $2.44, we have seen this gap is filled and made a high of around $2.5350. This is what I have explained you. If you have to see, you can go and check my videos. Okay, now if you look at this particular chart, what you can see, there are two patterns forming, which I have already explained you in our previous video. Okay, that a bigger pattern is forming, a positive pattern, and chances was very high that if the price started going below a level of 2.5, I told you that it can go further down. After making a low of $2.2, it went upside and trying to made a swing, and as soon as it made a swing, we have seen there is a continuous upside. Why there is a continuous upside? Because we have seen the dollar getting index getting weak, as I show you in the chart. As you can see the dollar index continuously trying to go upside since 2 days, as you can see looking at this particular chart, and chances are very high. If you look at this particular trend, see, overall trend, you can say it is trying to go down if you look at from the month of August. But if you go from 2003 years, you will see that there is a probability that if the price started going above a level of $103.87, we can see that the dollar will get strengthened, and then a probability of going natural gas and other commodities like gold and silver, we can see it can go further fall. Okay, now as of now there is a continuous upside. We have seen the price of natural gas can move further upside, as we can see that the price of dollar index is going further down, so probability is further high that we can see the price of natural gas can move further upside. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, see, if you look at this particular trend, we have seen there is a opposite U pattern forming in this particular zone. So we can see if the price started falling below a level of $2.2, a further fall we can see. But if the price started sustaining above a level of 2.7, a further upside movement we can see. Now suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it will touch a level of around $2.530. Okay, if started going above this level, we can see it will cross a level of around $2.589. Okay, as soon as the price started going above this level, we can see it will cross a level of around $2.7780. Okay, and if it started going above that particular zone, we will see it will touch a level of around $2.980. Okay, once the price started going above a level of $2.980, it will sustain above a level of 3.0809, and from there a probability of touching a level of around $3.3, because there is a higher chances that as soon as it moves out of this zone, we can see a pattern will form, and chances of touching a level of 3.3715 is there, and from there a probability of going towards a level of 3.59213 is there. Okay, once the price started sustaining of $3.5165, from there a probability of touching a level of 3.6, and then a further upside movement. Okay, you have to understand that from 4 days there is a continuous upside, and this gap is already being filled. Okay, now this gap is still pending at a level of 4.1, so chances are high if the price started going up 3.6, then a probability of filling this gap we can see. Okay, as you know that the market is always uncertain. Okay, if you look at this, overall trend is down, but it is trying to move in a particular zone. Okay, as well as it has shown green candle as well as red candle. So suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it will go further down towards a level of $2.4474, and if it started going below that particular zone, we will see a level of 2.4071. if the price started moving below that particular zone, chances of touching a level of around 2.3741 is there, and if it started going below that particular zone, we will see it will fall below a level of $2.2, and it will touch a level of $2.919741. Okay, and if it started moving below that particular zone, we will see it will fall below a level of $2.2, and then from there a probability of going towards 2.0561. As soon as started moving below a level of 2.2, it will fall below a level of $2.0561, and a probability of touching a level of probability of touching a level of $1.9. Once the price started falling below 1.9, a further downfall we can see, and then we can see it will move towards a level of 1.6 and then further down. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, or given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.